Okay, this is my 2004 Chevy Cavalier. Got 17-inch icons. Put my own graphics on it. They look pretty good, I guess. My wing. My high flow exhaust. Let's see here. I'm going to show you my speakers or my amps. There's two 400-watt Radio Shacks. My stereo is a dual motorized foot-down phase. Now I'll show you my speakers. It's three 12-inch Jitsons. I got two in the front and one on top. There's my extra battery. And I'll show you under my hood. I got a cold air intake and a mod chip. There's my cold air intake. My mod chip is right in that area right there. And then my next video will be my speakers, my car flex.